Hello, good people. I'm going to give you three different options for bead caps. The first option is to use this Mandrel by Artistic Wire. It has three different sizes of mandrels that you can use to wrap your bead cap. So I'll demonstrate how it works. You anchor your wire in this little hole, and then you push a small amount. You just need enough to hold on to. That's why you push this part out. And you just start to wind. Now you need to be careful to keep the wire close. You don't want to have gaps in your wire. And you just wind it around until you get to the top. I'm going to cut the first one that I made because I made the first one a little bit too long. So I'm just going to compare them and decide where I should cut it so that they'll be the same size. The next option is to use something that has the shape that you want. I'm using an ink pen, and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to use a little piece as an anchor, and then I'm going to wrap my wire around until I get to the top. So there you have another bead cap. This is a shorter one, but it is a bead cap. I made some paper beads, so I'm not going to demonstrate making the bead here, but this is the paper that I used. Here's the bead, and I'm going to put the earring together. What I do when I'm making a paper bead is I roll up my wire in a little spiral, and then I'm going to add it to the bead. When I finish the spiral, then I straighten up the wire because I want the spiral to be centered. Slip the bead cap onto the bead. The third option is something I got from Amazon, and I'm doing a review. This is Sherry with a review of Panda Hall long flower bead caps. This is a pack of 150 pieces, and there are 5 different colors or shades of the metal. These are beautiful and elegant, and they just add a very elegant look to your jewelry design. I'm going to show you with a bead that I make with these bead caps. I love them, and they're very, very lightweight. Here it is, and it adds an elegance to my bead. And here is the bead cap that I made with the aluminum wire. It is beautiful as well. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where I help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. I am offering an e-course called Hobby to Hustle, and I have a wait list for the premiere. So I'm going to leave a link if you would like to join my wait list and be the first to know when I release my e-course that is entitled Hobby to Hustle. If you want to go from making jewelry for yourself and your friends to making some money, I can help you do that. So stay tuned. Also, if you like this video, I would love it if you would subscribe, like, and share. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.